Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This video is going to be a time-lapse version showing the techniques I used to create this drawing. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoy seeing these time-lapse videos or if you would like to see more real-time tutorials showing the process. I started this drawing out by laying it out in a HB and a 2B pencil. And then I worked on some of the darker shadow areas with the Lumograph black pencils. And just for reference, I've listed all the materials that I use in the description below. Here I'm working on the background. I'm laying the first layer down with a 2B pencil. Now I'm using an eraser shield along the edge of the tape just to keep a nice crisp line. I'm also using it at the bottom of the card. It just keeps the pencil lead from covering the white areas so you can keep those pure. Here I'm using a soft paintbrush just to blend in the first layer of the graphite to give it a smoother look. I'm adding another layer of graphite and doing some more blending with a soft brush, and I'm incorporating a paper towel for some blending also. This new tool you see is a Tombow Mono Zero eraser. It's a really small eraser, and it's nice just to clean up some of the edges. Next I'm using some pastel with a paintbrush to add some color and texture to the card. As we work on the tape, I'm using a mixture of graphite, some yellow pastel, and a blending stump just to continually add texture and smoothness to the tape. And here I'm just adding more darks to the shadow areas. I'm using a 6B Lumograph black pencil to work on the symbols on the card. I like to keep my points really sharp just to make sure I'm covering all the paper so you don't have those little white specks showing through, so you get a nice dark look. At this stage I'm just doing some final refinements, blending the shadows in, just making the edges a little more crisp, adding some slight shadows, and just continually refining it until I'm happy with it. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.